Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove media is write protected message that's coming up when you're attempting to write to a drive on your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the search menu, type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best result should come back a registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. Now, before you proceed in the registry, I would highly suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily create a restore point for it, basically, and you could just revert it back. So in order to create a backup, all you have to do is select File and Export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all, and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer or external drive. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you'd have to do is select File and then Import and navigate to the file location. So again, pretty straightforward. So now we're going to start by double-clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the system folder, so double-click on that. Same thing for current control set. Double-click on that. Should be a control folder listed under here. Double-click on that one as well. And now locate the storage device policies folder. If you don't see it in here, you're going to have to create it. So go back up to the control folder, just right click on it, select new and then key. Name this key storage. As you see on my screen, I'm going to zoom in for you. Storage device policies. Exactly how you see it spelled on my screen. So again, storage device policies. Once you have it as you see it on my screen, hit enter. So now that you've created this folder, on the right side, you want to right click in a blank area, select new, and then select the word 32-bit value. Name this value write protect, W-R-I-T-E, P-R-O-T-E-C-T, hit enter. And if you already see this folder and this value already in here, you don't have to create it. All you would do is double click on this value and set the value data to 0. So if it's a 1 right now, you would set it to 0. And if you just created the value, you don't have to do anything. It should automatically be 0 by default if you just created the D-word value from scratch. So once you're done with that, you would just close out of here and you would have to restart your computer for the change to take effect. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.